Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jelly powder full guide. Measure gelatin, sugar, flavoring, and citric acid carefully before mixing. Start by blooming gelatin in cold water, then dissolve it in hot water until clear. Stir in sugar and flavor concentrates, tasting for balance, and add citric acid for brightness. Pour into molds or trays, chill until set, then cut or grind to a powder for storage and use. Gather ingredients and tools before you begin so the process stays smooth and calm. A digital scale and measuring spoons give precise results and prevent failed batches. Bloom gelatin in cold water first, then heat gently with sugar until dissolved, avoiding boiling. Add flavor and citric acid off heat to preserve aroma, then pour into molds or bake sheet for a thinner set. Label and store the dried powder in airtight containers in a cool place. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making helpful guides. Quick recommendation. After handling fruity concentrates, your car might retain sticky scents, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep drives pleasant and your nose happy. It pairs oddly well with dessert prep and smells crisp next to jam jars. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow a paste method to avoid lumps and achieve smooth texture that grinds well. Bloom gelatin first, then gently dissolve with sugar in hot water until fully clear, stirring constantly. Remove from heat and fold in flavorings and citric acid for brightness. Pour into thin trays or molds to chill faster, then dehydrate or air dry until brittle. Grind to a fine powder, sift to remove clumps, and transfer to airtight jars for use in recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.